Hello class and welcome to week 5 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, you will be continuing with the health module. This week you're dealing with the health learning module for week 2. And you will be doing some discussion board posts and also responding. So let's take a look at the week 2 folder on the learning modules. This week, you will be using the Lumen resource as a guide to help you compose your discussion board post. You'll be looking at Module 1, where it talks about creating paragraphs and conclusions. Use these strategies to help you with your week 2 discussion board post for the health learning module. Also, you have some readings for this week. You have the Storrs article about health and food and hormones. You have the Moyer article. You have the Schlosser article as well. And then you have the discussion board post, which you're basing on the articles. So let's go to the discussion board post so that you can see. For the Health Week 2 discussion board post, you will be doing a quote analysis chart, filling that in, and also underneath that chart you'll be writing 2 to 3 paragraphs that summarizes the ideas from all 3 articles. In fact, this is a review of something you've done before with the tech learning module. All right, so basically you'll be completing the chart, and if you have some trouble opening the chart, the link which is right here, let me move up. The link which is here, the discussion boast quote analysis chart, if you have some trouble opening that, you can highlight the chart that's listed on the discussion board post and copy it into a Word document. So you kind of drag the whole thing over and down, right click, and then copy, and then paste it into Microsoft Word, and you'll be able to fill it out that way. Please note that after you've completed the chart and you've really looked at some good quotes and they've explained the meaning of the quote and how it's applicable to the text, then don't forget that at the bottom you are to complete 2 to 3 body paragraphs that synthesize the ideas from the articles that you've read. And make sure that at the end of your paragraphs that you have an MLA style works cited. That is your alphabetical listing of all the sources that you've used in this particular assignment. Please also include at least one quotation or paraphrase idea from each of the 3 readings, okay? All right, well, I hope this was helpful. Thank you.